Hi everyone, this is Santa Cray of the Heart, and I'm back with another 6 by or 5¼ by 8 hardback journal scrapbook using the Maggie Holmes Marigold collection. So I had bought a peachy cheap, the 6 by 8 paper pad I might have had already in my stash, but I had bought a peachy cheap collection of Marigold, and it came with a bunch of Marigold stuff. So I had gotten these bows, and I plan on using all this leftover pieces for other Maggie Holmes projects because most of her stuff uses similar color schemes, so I can see myself being able to use this with other projects, or so we'll see. I think it might go really well with Heritage, if I can find my Heritage stuff. I don't know where it is, but anyway, it came with like this sticker sheet, and I got the floral ephemera, which can go with any collection. This ephemera, which has like tags and other pieces. This larger sticker, it came with these stickers. It came with this Marigold washi, which I did not use. I might still use it. I don't know, but I don't know. I probably won't use it, but it came with all of that. And then it came with a few sheets of, I think it came with maybe maybe 4 sheets. 1, 2, 3, 4. I think it came with 4 sheets of 12 by 12. So obviously I did use this. I don't know what I'm going to do with the rest of this. Probably use it for other projects within Maggie Holmes, because like I said, they do go together. Same with these cut parts. So that is that. So that's all stuff that I can use for other projects. The Marigold paper, this is really all I have left. So it really used up all the scrap, and all of this I can just throw out, So let's get to the project. It's all the pieces that I've used. So here it is. I used one of the larger sheets in the 6 by 8. And that's what's really nice about these albums, this size, is that you can use those full sheets. They don't know what to do with. They fit in here really nicely. So here this is. I used ephemera pieces here to decorate. I used one of those giant velvet bows for the spine. And here's the back. And I got the brand new We Are Memory Keepers glue gun. I'm still working on kind of getting comfortable with it. But I did glue down, hot glue my lace and my velvet bow. Okay, so inside, now my last album, I told you guys I wasn't thrilled with how it came out in terms of this part. I kind of worked on that a little bit. I feel a little bit happier with how it came out. I'm still kind of working on this part a little bit, but it's definitely much cleaner this time. But what I did was I created a pocket here on the inside cover, and then so here's the 2 ephemera pieces. I just stapled the thankful on there, and I used a little scrap on the back. And then for this one, this was the last full piece I had left over, and I decided to just kind of leave it full, and then I just put a sticker here, and I did use some scrap pieces, and this is from the floral ephemera. The ephemera there. So you'll see those bits and pieces throughout. I just knocked out my phone. But here's a piece I stapled, and then here is that pop-up piece. And then I've got stickers throughout. Here's a belly band, a sticker there, and an ephemera piece here. And then here, this is the pull out, or the flip page, kind of a gatefold. And so I use those stickers here and here, and I use scraps there. So here's this side. And I made a pocket here. I put one of the little tags here. This is from the ephemera. And then this side opens, and that's what that looks like with a pocket here. And then ephemera here. And it folds like that. And then this side opens, and I did a side pocket here with a couple of the ephemera pieces. And I made my own, I used an envelope. I sealed it and then cut the top off, and then I kind of cut part of it away, and I created like a library pocket. And I just used scraps to cover that and use ephemera pieces here. So, and they just fit perfectly in there. And then here we're in the journal part. So you'll see lots of the ephemera throughout, stickers, pockets with tags. Be careful because I used, there you go. It's like a pocket. There and there. And then I made a pocket here with an ephemera. And then this, I just took a doily that I had in my stash, and I folded it over and stapled it to have a little ephemera there. And then I just have this piece here. But it lifts up, so you could tuck a picture, you could journal. Here is this piece right here. So I took an envelope, and here it is right here, and I covered that, and so with scrap, and then just a place there for you to put something. And then here, I just covered that. This is a pocket right here on the side. And now we're in the other journal part. And a little pocket. And there's that and that. And this is just using up scrap. I used up a lot of the scraps, as much as I could. And then here's a pocket with some pieces. And then the last page right here, I've got a pocket and a couple of the ephemera pieces here. And then there you go. So that's a hardback scrapbook album, inspired by Rosa Kelly's scrapbooking and Caroline's Crafts. She's made quite a few of these. So I will link to the tutorial, and I'll link to Caroline Crafts, either one of her projects that she's made using these, or her channel, so that you can go and check her out. She's become one of my favorite crafters lately. I also have her on Instagram because she shows a lot of albums and things like that. So it's kind of made me want to go back to making some albums and actually using up my stuff. So thank you so much for watching. This is Cindy with Create the Heart.